Want to learn German anywhere, anytime? Get the Innovative Language 101 app for free.
Hi everybody, Anja here. Welcome to Ask a Teacher where I'll answer some of your most common German questions. The question for this lesson is, what does passt schon mean? Passt schon is a casual expression in German that generally means something is alright or okay. However, it can be used in different ways. Let's do some examples so you can learn how to use passt schon correctly. In some cases, passt schon can mean never mind. For example, ich denke, nee, passt schon. Literally, this means I think so, never mind. But it translates naturally as I forgot what I wanted to say. In other cases, passt schon can mean no problem. For example, if someone accidentally bumps into you and says Entschuldigung, excuse me, you can respond with passt schon, no problem. You can also use passt schon to respond to the question Wie geht es dir? Meaning, how are you? If you're not so bad, but not great either, you can say passt schon. In this case, it would roughly translate to I'm alright or I'm fine. Passt schon can even mean keep the change when giving a tip. For example, if your waiter at the restaurant says, Das macht 47 Euro. 47 euros, please. You can respond with a passt schon, and it'll mean keep the change. In other parts of Germany, such as Bavaria, some people drop the N at the end of passt schon and emphasize the O as in passt schon. So make sure to listen for it if you visit. How was it? Pretty interesting, right? Do you have any more questions? Leave them in the comments below and I'll try to answer them. Tschüss, bis zum nächsten Mal. Bye, see you next time.